Well, the theme of the conference is apt because we're talking about the internet and news. Since the advent of the internet, the way we report news, even go gather materials, data, source data, other materials for news writing has changed. And also important, the way we disseminate news has changed. So it's important because journalists need to understand what the internet is. Journalists need to understand, the power of the internet.
We're moving from print, from the traditional media now to the digital media, and it's time everybody moved. I mean, we cannot avoid this. But again, I'm seeing now the challenge that we're asking, and that is the challenge that is posing now to the old journalists and the people who have refused to move. The question is, are we going to lose our jobs?
I think it feeds into this whole kind of changing terrain of the media landscape and journalism presently, and it's a relevant subject to tackle since the internet is now a very, very important tool that practitioners are using. And it's imperative that this discourse goes on over and over again from the different players within that sector on the continent. Regionalizing it at the African level is also another key perspective, given that Africa is still trying to come at par with the usage of the internet, and the West has basically done a lot.
Well, being myself working in news media in Egypt, I think, of course, I believe that media are like a critical part of our modern societies. I think that our societies are more complex than ever. You have bigger challenges than ever. I think our societies are also becoming more and more complicated with a lot of information coming, conflicting information. So you need increasingly good journalists and strong media to help people understand all this information and make the right choices. And of course, internet has become a huge part of our lives. I mean, we spend most of our time, you, me, on the internet, and of course offers huge opportunities everywhere in the whole economy, changes our private lives, changes the way we relate to one another. So I think, of course, it's very important to have this theme this year for Highway Africa.
We are competing with different media like Facebook, Twitter, which are always out there breaking stories. So how do we remain relevant as journalists in the digital age? I think that's why it's important for us.
Can you imagine the world without the internet? I don't think we can continue to imagine journalism without the internet. It has been a platform for people to write their opinions about the world. It's been a platform to break news. It's been a platform for people to get news on their mobile devices, on the internet, having to wait for the news bulletin to strike 1 o'clock. So I don't think journalism can move forward without the internet.
I think it's so obvious, but I think it's also vitally important. I don't know what journalism would do without the internet. We have access to the whole wide world out there, but we still need to apply our verification despite the speedy facts and figures and statistics and information.